pajitin mero, anyira pajitin mero, anyira pajitin mero. Cha, nigga, see, hey, hold my mind go zigzag, zigzag. Hold my mind go. Somebody got let me know. Are you okay? Say madame, sir. Say madame, sir. Madame, sir.
Alright guys, it's a nice day. It's a busy session, busy season. We are heading into the festive season where Christmas comes and the New Year also comes. But we have something to do. So soon, there is Smokie Allan experience in June. The Covenant. Smokie Allan is one of Africa's best reggae artists and undoubtedly the best in Uganda. Smokie Allan being the best in Uganda, we have adapted him in the whole of family. And we need and request the Luo people to go and support Smokie Allan. Wherever you are, travel to Kulu on the 14th of October to the Covenant and support Smokie Allan. He has been producing nice songs. If I'm to sample just a few songs from Smokie Allan, you cannot forget songs like Miyai. You cannot forget songs like Zaga Zaga with Lumix the Dawn. Songs like Wengrach, all those comes from Smokie Allan. Then there's this genus one called No Cry. It's also from Smokie Allan. So it's a high time we give Smokie Allan some token of appreciation. It's a concert dubbed Smokie Allan Experience, and I hope we will be there so that Smokie Allan is embraced. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.
It's a Batman, Smokie man for the building. You know how we do. It's the reason why we come here to support Acoli music. Are you out there? Big ups to Papa boy. Yeah. Pat's culture. Whoa. Yo, Mr. D.